Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and longing for a life of financial independence? Well, you're in luck because today we're exploring the fascinating realm of passive income that can help you make $60,000 per month. And who better to guide us than the legendary Robert Kiyosaki himself? As a renowned author and expert in passive income, Robert Kiyosaki has dedicated his life to helping others achieve financial success. In this video, we'll be discussing his latest insights and top 7 recommendations for cash flowing investments in 2023. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on these incredible opportunities. Let's dive in. Number 1. Real estate investments. Real estate investments offer the potential to generate substantial passive income. Rental properties are an excellent example of this. By investing in a rental property, you can receive consistent rent payments from tenants each month, creating a reliable income stream. The amount of passive income you can make varies based on factors like location, property type, and rental rates. On average, rental properties can bring in anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s in massive income per month, making it possible to reach that $60,000 per month goal. Another strategy to consider is investing in real estate investment trusts. REITs function like stocks for real estate, allowing you to become a shareholder in companies that own and manage income-generating properties. The initial investment required to get started with REITs is relatively small, and they typically distribute dividends to shareholders. These dividends can range from 3% to 8% annually, providing a consistent stream of passive income. For instance, if you invest around, let's say, $200,000 in REITs, you could potentially earn approximately $500 to $1,333 per month in passive income. Real estate crowdfunding is yet another strategy to explore. This method involves pooling your money with other investors to fund specific real estate projects. By joining forces with other investors, you can collectively invest in properties and benefit from rental income or property application. It's a great way to diversify your real estate portfolio and increase your passive income potential. Number 2. Dividend investing. So, what exactly are dividend stocks and how do they play a role in generating passive income? When you invest in dividend stocks, you become a shareholder in companies that distribute a portion of their profits as dividends. These regular dividend payments can provide a consistent stream of income. Depending on your investment size and the dividend yield of the stocks you choose, you can potentially make a significant amount of money each month. For example, owning 10,000 shares of a stock with a 4% dividend yield could earn you around $3,333 per month. The difference between regular stock market investing and dividend stocks is, well, the focus. Traditional stock market investing usually centers around capital appreciation, where investors aim to buy low and sell high. However, dividend stocks offer an additional benefit. In addition to the potential for capital appreciation, they provide regular dividend payments. Even if the stock price remains stable, you'll still receive those dividends, creating a steady income stream. With dividend stocks, you not only have the potential for long-term growth, but also the immediate benefit of passive income. Choosing the right dividend stocks is crucial for successful dividend investing. You want to invest in companies that not only pay dividends, but also pay a strong financial position to sustain those payments over the long term. Some well-known dividend stocks to consider include giants like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola. These companies have a history of consistent dividend payments and solid financials. Additionally, there's a hierarchy among dividend stocks. At the top are the dividend aristocrats, such as companies like 3M and McDonald's, which have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. So make sure to do your research, analyze the company's financials, and consider the hierarchy when selecting the right dividend stocks for your portfolio. Number 3. Digital products and online courses. Creating and selling digital products and online courses has become a popular avenue for individuals to monetize their knowledge and expertise. Just imagine being able to share your passion for photography, fitness, or graphic design with people all around the world and get paid for it. The beauty of this idea is that once you've created your digital product or course, it can generate income for you on autopilot. Now let's talk numbers. The income potential of digital products and online courses is quite remarkable. Many creators have built successful businesses and earn substantial amounts of money each month. For example, let's say you create an online course on web development and price it at $500. If you manage to sell just 120 courses in a month, you've already made $60,000. And here's the best part. Once your course is created, you can continue to sell it to new students without any additional effort. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson working for you. Enjoying this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's jump right back in. Number 4. Creating online content. Online content creation has immense potential when it comes to generating passive income. Let's take YouTube as an example. Starting a YouTube channel is relatively simple and doesn't require a huge investment. You can create videos about your passions, whether it's gaming, beauty, cooking, or travel. As your channel grows and attracts more viewers, you become eligible to monetize it through advertisements. On average, YouTubers can earn approximately 25 cents to $4 per thousand ad views. So imagine if your videos receive 1 million views a month. That's a potential income of $250 to $4,000 just from ad revenue. And the best part, your videos can continue to generate income even when you're not actively creating new content. Starting a YouTube channel and monetizing it through advertisements is a process that follows a few key steps. First, you need to identify your niche and target audience. Choose a topic or theme that you're passionate about and that has the potential to attract a dedicated following. Next, set up your YouTube channel and start creating and uploading high-quality content. Consistency is crucial here. Regularly publish videos that resonate with your audience and offer value. As your subscriber count and view numbers grow, you become eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to monetize your channel through advertisements. In addition to ad revenue, there are other income streams to explore, such as brand sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P lending, allows individuals like you to act as lenders and provide loans to borrowers directly, cutting out traditional financial institutions. It's like being your own bank. So let's explore how this concept plays a role in generating passive income. Imagine this. You sign up on a peer-to-peer lending platform and start lending out your money to borrowers in need. These borrowers could be individuals looking to fund their businesses, consolidate debt, or cover personal expenses. By diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers, you minimize risk and increase your chances of earning consistent return. Platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, and Funding Circle connect borrowers and lenders, making the process seamless and efficient. You can browse through loan listings and choose the ones that align with your risk tolerance and return expectations. If you were to invest $100,000 in peer-to-peer lending and earn a conservative average annual return of 7%, you could make potentially around $5,833 per month or $70,000 a year. Number 6. Automating a side hustle. Traditional side hustles often have limitations such as trading time for money and reaching a cap on your earning potential. By automating your side hustle, you can break free from these limitations and create a sustainable passive income stream. So how do you automate and scale your side hustle? It's easier than you think. First, identify a side hustle that has the potential for automation. This could be offering online services, creating digital products, or even developing a software tool. Once you've chosen your side hustle, it's time to set up systems and processes that can run on autopilot. This might involve building a website or an online platform to showcase your products or services, implementing automation like tools and email marketing or customer support chatbots, and streamlining your workflows. The amount of money you can make in a month through an automated side hustle varies greatly depending on your niche, target audience, and marketing efforts. Number 7. Private investing. Private investing revolves around investing in private companies or startups rather than the more familiar public stock market. It's like being part of the ground floor action. There are different types of private investors, including angel investors and shark investors. Angels are early stage investors who use their personal funds to support promising startups, while sharks tend to be more experienced investors who invest larger amounts in established companies. So what are the advantages of being an angel investor or a shark investor? Well, as an angel investor, you get the chance to back those bright-eyed entrepreneurs and their cutting-edge ideas. It's like being part of the next big thing. And if the startup takes off, your returns could be astronomical. On the flip side, being a shark investor offers its own perks. You invest in more mature companies with a proven track record, reducing some of the risks associated with early-stage investments. With larger investments comes the potential for significant returns, all while supporting companies that are already on the path to success. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and watch this one as well.